Ice Creamy, slow down a little bit. Ice Creamy had a little bit too much to eat this morning. And she's pretty excited about her cool superhero cape and her cool mask. Hi kids, I'm Mrs. Thomas and this is Ice Creamy, the three-toed sloth, and we're here today to tell you about how to make a coronavirus superhero book so you too can be a coronavirus superhero like Ice Creamy. Ice Creamy is hanging out now. So first, you want to have your adult print the coronavirus superhero book on both sides. The link is in the description. Second, you want to fold the book along the dotted line. Folding. I'm helping Ice Creamy because Ice Creamy only has 3 toes. Third, you can write your name at the top and make it yours. Here's mine. Next, you can color in the pictures. Then you can draw your superhero. I'm still working on my drawings. Next, you can color the rest of the pictures. And then you can read your book with an adult, a brother, a sister, a friend. You can read your book to an animal if you're already reading. So I'm going to read my book to Ice Creamy because Ice Creamy is learning how to read. Is that good, Ice Creamy? Yeah. So Amy's coronavirus superhero book. I am a superhero. I can wear a mask or a face shield. Let me see. I can stay 6 feet apart. I can help save the day. Yay! Hooray! Ice Creamy gets so excited. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Okay, calm down, Ice Creamy. Okay. Ice Creamy needs to go back to sleep soon. Now, if you are starting to learn your sight words, one sight word you can look for in the book is I. So capital I is a letter and it's also a word. How cool is that? Ice Creamy is excited because his name, Ice Creamy, starts with I. Ice Creamy! Ice Creamy, what do you have? No ice cream. You're sloth. You're not supposed to eat ice cream. Okay. Here, have some kale. Okay. Here, you can take your mask off to eat. Okay. We'll put our mask back on. So if you're learning your sight words, you can go through and look for the word I and circle it. See, circle it. There's a lot of I's in this book, huh? Yeah. Take care, stay safe, and keep learning. Oh, and be a superhero. Bye.